from Bangkok and I'm the owner of Hom Hostel and Cooking Club. I'm a traveler and a cooker by myself. I'm doing this because I want to encourage people to travel and connect each other by cooking. Our hostel is located on the 4th floor of Nana Square. It is near to BTS Skytrain Nana. And the concept of this hostel, we have the kitchen that all the guests can cook together and share the recipe with each other. And we have the garden that we grow some vegetable that you can cook from it. We have the living room that we have playroom. You can enjoy the internet, the TV, the DVD. And we have the common big room that you can connect with each other. This is the living room that we have so many movies that you can enjoy, and also we have a game that you can play with your new friends. We have 2 computers here that you can use the internet in case you don't have cell phone or computer with you. This is our rooftop garden that you can see the open space that you can enjoy the space like yoga, exercise, and you see that we do the growing some organic food. You can cook from this, and also it's very close to BTS. You can see the train pass by all the time. In Hom Hostel, we have total of 42 beds. We have private rooms and share room. For 2 private rooms and share room, we have 4, 6, 8, and 10 share rooms. Also, check-in time is 2 p.m. and check-out is 12. We have cleaning every day and we have laundry service for guests. This is our share rooms. You can see that we have double bunk bed, that the mattress is so soft for your sleep, and also the light is good. All the room we have window, shower room, and air conditioning.